how to set a minimum order amount in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can set a minimum order amount in Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm on shopify.com, and you can go ahead and sign up on Shopify for free for the first 3 days, and then after that you can go ahead and purchase the plan for $1 for the first month, maybe even 2. They sometimes give away another month for free, so you can go ahead and easily sign up for a couple of months for $1 on Shopify as well. So I already have an account. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and you can easily create an account by clicking on the first button and then just simply adding in your email address, or even signing up with Google. Totally depends on you. So I'm going to go ahead and log in into my account, and once you're logged in, you should be good to go. Now, to set a price, you can come over here and see on our store. This is going to be your store. This is how it looks like. There is no purchase limit. If we come over here onto our store, we can just simply go ahead and buy whatever we want, and we can check out as well. There is no limit as of yet, so let's go ahead and add one. So to add a limit, there is an application that you can use. Now, I understand I'm not advocating to go ahead and install a lot of application onto your stores, because on the long run they can significantly slow down your shop and loading times and all of that, because they also need time to load up. So whenever a new users come onto your site, if your store is slow, it can affect their purchase plans or whatever. So it's important to make sure you don't install a lot of apps, and make sure your store is fast and responsive. So currently, you can see right here, usually over here, we can always, it shows you that your online store is actually pretty good at responsiveness. Over here it shows there's like 50 millisecond response time or 100 millisecond response times. Currently it's not showing, but that's fine. So let's go ahead and add an application onto our store. So to do that, we're going to come over here onto the left hand side. You can see right here underneath apps. We're going to click over here, click on all recommended apps, and then click on this button right here. Go to the Shopify App Store, right? So here you can go ahead and install multiple applications for a lot of your problems. If you want, WhatsApp, you've got Dante. If you want other applications as well, they've got a bunch of ones as well. So let's go ahead and install the application that we want. It is called OC Quantity. You can even just search for quantity and it'll come up. So this is the application right here, Quantity Break. You can see right here, it provides a free plan available and a free trial as well. So if you want to use it for free, you can use it right here. You can see, but if you want to upgrade, you can as well. So it's pretty cool. Here you can see works with your point of sales, bundled products and everything. You can see the category, and you can click over here to show the features, and these are some of the features that it wants. You can add pricings right here, fixed pricing, tire pricings, discounts, customs, pricing limits, triggers and rules, all of that, right? So you can easily go ahead and install this application for free. So simply click on install application, give it a couple of seconds to install. It's going to open up in another tab where it's going to ask you to install the application. Go ahead and click on the install button, wait for a couple of seconds, and it's going to go ahead and install the application onto your Shopify store. All right, so now that it's installed, now all we need to do is activate it. So you can see it's installed right here. I'll also pin it so that we can access it quickly over here. So right now it's not activated. So click on activate. It's going to open up the editor in another tab, and it's going to open up the application or the accessibility part. So you can see right here, apps embedded. So over here in the app settings, you just simply turn it on. It was already on, I forgot. And then just simply click on the save button. There you go, it's on as well. So now if you come back over here, we reload the page. It's gonna show that it is now activated and ready to use. So here we go. So once it's done, you are good to go. Here you can see on the left hand side, you have all of your options. So you've got the discount, limit purchase, settings, plan, partner, and report, right? So in the discount section, you can go ahead and set up discounts. So if you have, some discounts going or discount codes or anything like that, click on create new discounts. Here you can go ahead and add the campaign title, what it is, is it Black Friday? Is it Christmas? Whatever. Discount title over here is going to be buy more, save more, right? The discount is applied into the total quantity of the product in your carts. And then you're going to have the campaign type. So on all product, on specific products, specific collections, specific variants, campaign detail, and everything. So, it's a pretty detailed options right here when it comes to, creating discounts and all of that. And then we have the limit purchase. Here you can go ahead and set, purchasing limits. So over here, since there's no limit right here, you can see right here, limit product. you can add a limit to a collection or a limit to an order. So let's go ahead and add a limit to a product. So here you can go ahead and set a limit for a single purchase or many products. So here you can go ahead and set a limit for single products or many products. Totally depends on you. You've got the type of limit over here. You can go ahead and limit by minimum max quantity or by specific quantity or limit in multiples. Totally depends on you. And then down below is going to be limit purchase for the whole product. So you can set a limit for your product. So minimum limit should be at least 1 and maximum can be 5, right? If you set 0, then it means it's unlimited, right? And then you can have the option to limit the purchase by specific variants or apply limit to custom lifetime or apply the limit to tagged customers or set minimum as a default quantity in your page. So once you've created a limit, so this is a single product, over here you can select the product that you want, which product. All right, so we'll just say hat and click on add products. So now this hat is going to have a minimum order of 1 and a maximum order of 5, right? And you've got all the other options if you want. Then just simply hit the save button and there you go. Now let's go ahead and go into our store. Actually, I'm gonna open it up in another tab. So now if we come back over here, we see the hat. Do we have that hat? Wait, I haven't even activated it yet. So let's go back to the product section and over here we'll find the hat, which is over here. You can see right here. Open it up. Actually, I'll go into the quantity and see how many do we have. So here we go. So I'm simply gonna go ahead and click on hand and I'm gonna add, let's say 20 of these. All right, click on sale. There we go. So now we'll just simply save it. And also it is now active as well. You can see right here. So it should be available within my store. If I come over here, I forgot we also need to publish it. So we're going to click over here, manage sales channels and select all. Maybe not these ones, but over here and click on done. There we go. And then we'll save. Now it should be available onto our store. So we'll reload it and it should pop up over here. There we go. There we have. So now if we go ahead and buy it, let's say if we want to buy more than 8 or 7, it should not allow us to buy 7 of them. It should not allow us to buy more than 7 of them. So minimum is 1, maximum is 5. You can see it's turned on. And if we want to edit them, we can edit them over here. We can add like a specific quantity and or multiples, you know. So I think this looks good. There is no variance. Set a minimum as default quantity in product page. I think this looks good. But yeah, after that, you should be good to go. I don't know if it's working or not, but because my store isn't, you know, turned on right now. So you can see right here, we go with 6. It says 6 right here, but we can't buy it. But maybe, yeah. But yeah, after that, we should be good to go. So this is how you add a limit order. Now I don't think it's working for me because my store isn't activated as of yet. But yeah, then we have the settings over here. You can add discounts and everything. Let me actually go into the plan settings and see over here. You can add 1 discount, limit purchase for 3 products, limit purchase for 1 collection and full theme and everything. So yeah, we can add that over here. This is the one that we want. All right, which is okay. It is activated into our theme store as well. And we'll save it as well. So now if we go into the hat settings, here is the quantity selector. But yeah, all you got to do is just simply install the application and set a limit, and there you go. After that, you can just simply go ahead and set limits on multiple different products, on multiple different collections as well. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you set a order limit onto your Shopify store. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.